So this little device right here is actually your time of need in tropical storms. Hey yo, what is up guys? It's your boy Quartet back with another video, and today guys, in this video we're gonna review mobile power bank today. So if you're living in the Caribbean or the States, or for example Florida, where there are more tropical storms each week or each month and there are power outage, this little device right here may charge your phone or your computer. So let's get into this unboxing. So first of all, before we go in, they give us a warm reminder. First they said please charge your power bank every 3 months if the power bank does not used for a long time. And they said please keep the power bank clean and dry, do not wash the power bank. And next reminder that they also give you, they say that it's normal for the temperature to be a bit high during charging. Next reminder is this product has a built-in large capacity battery, small equipment, wide application, long range, service life and high cost performance. You can use it to charge your cell phone, camera or computer, MP3 for iPod or any digital stuff that you all want to charge. You can also get this in pink, white, blue and black. I actually get the blue one, so I hope you guys order it online and get it also too. So let's get into the unboxing. So this is how you actually pull it. You just basically rip this thing off and open it up. This right here, we don't need a box, so we can just throw this thing right here away. So this is a USB-C charger. You use this for when this dies. It comes in this little package right here. We don't need this anymore, so we can just throw this away. And this is basically how it looks. So this design right here is very smooth. You have the bulb right here for the LED lights to show when it's charging. We have the ports right here. These right here are the ports to charge it. You plug in to your USB and connect to your phone. They said that this device can charge your computer. I don't know how, but if you guys figure it out, let me know in the comment section. They give you this little jack right here. You can use this for your iPhone and this one for your Android. It comes with this right here. This design is actually cool. It's actually made from Kinval, so big up to Kinval for this nice device right here. So let's go into the testing. Let's see if this actually works. I'm gonna get a phone and see if this works. So now that we got our phone right here, we're gonna use this and see if this power bank actually works. So as you can see, we can use this port right here, this jack, for an iPhone. This one is for the iPhone and this one is for the Android. So let's go into testing. First, you can hold down this power button right here on the side and touch it like that. You may see the lights, the LED lights. I'm not sure if y'all can see because we're outside. Sorry about the wind if my audio is bad. Anyway, so this one not working into my phone right here. It's not working, so I guess I'll have to use the USB type C charger. So let's connect it. So first we insert it into this and plug it into our Android phone right here. Now as you can see, I have about 56% battery and it's charging perfectly fine. The lights is also on this thing, this little blue light right here. You guys can see the blue light right here on the power bank. It's this signal to show you guys that it's actually charging, and so good. This is actually cool. So I mean, if you're at a party or you're outside and it's windy, or maybe a storm, tropical hurricane in your country or somewhere, and you're out of power, this device right here may be the solution to your needs. Because trust me guys, you don't want to be in a dark place where your electricity is out, your power is out, your phone dies and you don't got no charger or nothing to charge your phone. This device can actually help you. So I'll recommend you guys to please get into the description. Please click the link in the description and get one for yourself. I believe every home should have one of these devices to help you. So anyways guys, we've come to the end of our video for today, and if you like this video, please head over into the description below and make sure to click the link to Amazon to get one of these devices. This is actually nice. I would recommend y'all to get it. Please get it and let me know how it's been treating you. So anyways guys, before we go, have no rest until you're the best. It's me, your boy Cortec. Peace out.